Hi, welcome to this tutorial. Today we will talk about Google Global Foundry's Open Source Process Development Kit, aka gf180mcu BDK, and how to use it with the open source tools to design a simple CMOS inverter. First, the BDK has a documentation as shown here from this link, which contains all information that will be discussed here. You can find the documentation link in the description along with other useful links like GitHub repositories. Okay, so about the BDK, it has three combined options, A, B, and C. Each one of them will have certain options like number of metal stacks, metal top thickness, and NIM capacitor type. Here we will use the option C because it has all metal layers. We can design full circuit from schematics to layout as the BDK contains all required files like schematic symbols, model cards, P-cells generators, verification files, standard cells, PNR information, technology definition files, and so on. Please note that this tutorial doesn't include how to install the required tools as Xscheme, ngSpice, and klayout, and we assume that they are pre-installed. Moving to the installation section, the BDK can be cloned and we can copy each file in its destination. But this method will take more time and effort. Another method is to use Volar, as shown here. Volar is a version manager and builder of Google open source BDKs. But before heading to the installation itself, some environment variables must be defined. So open a terminal. Okay. We need to open the shell resource environment variables, aka bashrc. So now we need to export our variables. First one will be bdk root, which points to the directory that we need to install our BDK. So I'm choosing home and a directory in it called BDK. Now we need to export the other one, which is BDK. This will choose the flavor of the BDK that we want to use. As we said earlier, we need to select C option. Perfect. We need to save the file, and then to take effect, we can close this terminal and reopen it again, or simply by sourcing it to take the effect we need.